Bead Gallery. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you our very first Valentine's project that we have ever made in 20 years. It's these very cute Czech glass Cheery cherry earrings. Let's say that twice. Cheery cherry earrings. Okay? These are super easy to do. Even I surprised myself at how easy they were to do. When I came up with the idea, I was kind of intimidated by shaping the stems. But once I did it, it was super easy. So I'll show you how, okay? What we use in this project is 20 gauge wire. I have 20 gauge half hard, and each piece for each side is about 7 inches. Then I have 2 glass leaves and 4 super cute window cut Czech glass hearts. Okay. So let's get started. So I'm ready to do the first side of my earring. I'm going to start with the lower of the 2 cherries. I'm going to string it onto my wire like this and go about 1.5 inches in from the end. What I want to make sure is that this is enough wire to go up the back of the heart and wrap it around a couple times. So that's all you need. I'm just going to bend the wire against the back of the heart like this and pull down so it's like at a 90-degree angle like this, and then just wrap it around maybe 2 times. Now I like the wire going up the back of the heart because that keeps the bead from spinning, which was one of my design challenges in this project. When you have flat beads like this, you want them to stay facing the same way all the time, and having the wire come up the back is one way to do it. So I'm just going to tuck that down a little bit. Okay, I have 1 cherry on there. So I'm going to measure about 1.5 inches from the top of the bead there, and I'm going to mark it with a Sharpie. Like this. Okay. And then I'm going to get my wrap and tap plier and use step number 4 on there. And I'm basically just going to pull it around like this. And I want the mark to be centered on the curve. You see, like this. And notice that that stem is winging way out over there. That's okay, we can adjust that later. Okay. And then I'm gonna straighten that out with my chain nose plier to make more of a long teardrop shape. And then we're going to get the glass leaf and string that up there like this. And it may not stay in the loop portion just yet, but you don't have to worry about that. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to string on the 2nd cherry. So it'll look like this. And I'm going to measure about 1 inch from the marked dot to the top of the cherry. Like that. I'm going to bend the wire against the back like this. Okay, and then we're going to pull so that it's at a right angle like this, and then we're going to wrap it around 2 times. And my leaf is moving around, but don't worry, we'll fix that. Just like that. I'm going to trim away any extra wire and tuck it down with the chain nose plier if it's sticking out. Okay, and we're almost done. Is it looking cute? I think so. Super cute. Then what I'm going to do is just hammer the loop at the top of the stem just a little to kind of strengthen it, and also to make this wire come down so that the leaf doesn't slide forward. Okay? So I use my bench block here and my little baby chasing hammer. I'm just going to hit it. So remember, hammering your wire will harden it and make it keep its shape better. It also adds a little nice texture, but I'm only gonna hammer the curved portion of this stem like this. And then we're done.